Hello guys, welcome to the channel once again. How are you? It's been a while. My fault, I know. I've been focusing on other things, more acting and performing at the moment. If you haven't been on my other channel, go and check it out. So I left behind this channel a little bit. But today we have a new microphone by Saramonic, the BlinkMe U2, which we're gonna check out right now. I have reviewed previously the BlinkMe B2, so I recommend to go and check that out too. By the way, I'm recording this video right now with the microphone itself through my computer because the BlinkMe U2 can be used on cameras, pads and smartphones. What is it? It's a wireless dual microphone system with touchscreen. That's one of the key features of this model. Let's see what comes in the box. The first thing is the case. So this case, it's not just the case, but it's also a charger. It has a USB-C port at the back. You connect it to your electricity and it will charge the case. The case will charge in approximately 2.5 hours, and through the case you can charge your devices inside for a couple of times. So you can run with one charge of the case probably for 2 or 3 days. So if you are traveling, good option here. At the back of the case also we have some magnets, so you can stick that to any metal surface, and I don't know why you should do that, but in case, there it is. Inside the case we have 2 transmitters, one here and one I'm using it. And also there's one receiver right there. This is for the iPhone, but in the box also you have the receiver for your Androids, which I'm using with a USB-C of my laptop right now. We're gonna check these things a bit later. We have 2 wind shields, the fluffy ones, one USB to USB-C cable to charge your device, your case, and also a USB-C cable that splits into another USB-C. That's for charging your device, your case, but also it splits into a 3.5 mini jack for the earphones, so you can live monitor what you're doing. Then we have 2 magnetic plates that you can use at the back of your t-shirt, as I'm doing right now. So I've got one inside my t-shirt because the transmitters are magnetic as well. So it allows you to stick your microphone above your clothing. And also you get 2 of these clips too, in case you wanted to place your microphone here, for example, instead of using the magnetic plate. Let's check some of the features in the menu here. It's a very simple microphone, by the way, so if you are a newbie in terms of audio and camera as well, camera work, I think this can be a good option. Simply there is a power button and also a noise reduction button. If you press the yellow button here, there is a software inside the transmitter that will reduce the ambient noise. Anyway, I recommend, if you do some video editing as well, to do that in post-production. So record with a normal audio and then you can reduce the noise in editing software. If you're not aware of any of those, then you can do it in the body. It's a touchscreen monitor, as I mentioned before. You simply slide up and you get into the menu. You can change the gain of your microphones. Then we have the onboard recording. Onboard recording, basically, you will record also on the body of the microphones to have a safety track. We have the noise reduction here as well. You can change the brightness of your monitor. The display, some options there, and the main settings with the language, date, and so on. Also the version of the firmware. Very, very simple, nothing else. On the receiver that you can place under your phone, you will be able to select the stereo or mono mode. So you can record on 2 tracks, the 2 microphones, if you have 2 people speaking, or you can record in mono as I'm doing right now because it's just me talking to you guys. And also with the wheel on the side, you will be able to adjust the gain once again. There you go, very quick video. I hope it helped out. I listened to the audio I'm recording at, and it sounds very clear and there's no noise at all. I'm still in a safe environment, blinds on, a bit of soundproof stuff, so it shouldn't be very noisy, but the microphone is actually very good. So I recommend to go and check it out if you're a traveler and a vlogger. You got different options here. Consider to subscribe, hit the like button, and check my other videos. There's a lot of stuff there. I can't wait to see you in the next one. Take care. Ciao.